Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Daily Dose English. I'm Lisa, and today I want to talk to you, especially if you are a beginner in English. If you're new to English, let me say this first. You are in the right place, and you are doing great already just by starting. Many beginners feel nervous when they learn English. They think English is too difficult. They think they are too slow. They think other people learn faster than them. But learning English is not a competition. It's a journey, and everyone's journey looks different. When you are a beginner, the most important thing is not grammar. It's not vocabulary lists, and it's definitely not perfection. The most important thing is confidence. Confidence comes from small steps, very small steps. You don't need to speak long sentences. You don't need big words. Simple English is powerful English. Words like hello, thank you, I like it, I don't understand, can you help me? These simple sentences are your best friends. As a beginner, your goal is not to sound perfect. Your goal is to communicate. If people understand you, you are succeeding. Now let's talk about listening. Listening is where English starts. Listen to English every day, even for 5 minutes. You can listen while walking, while cooking, while resting. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. That's normal. Your brain is learning quietly. Think of it like music. At first, it sounds strange, but slowly it becomes familiar. The more you listen, the easier English feels. Now let's talk about speaking. Many beginners are afraid to speak. They wait. They say, I'll speak when I'm ready. But the secret is this. You become ready by speaking. Speak to yourself. Yes, really. Talk about your day. Talk about what you see. Talk about what you like. Say things like, I'm tired. I'm happy. I'm learning English. Your English does not need an audience. It just needs practice. And please remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake means you are trying, and trying is success. Now let's talk about vocabulary. As a beginner, you don't need thousands of words. You need useful words. Words about daily life, food, time, feelings, family, work, hobbies. Learn words you can use today, not someday, today. And don't learn words alone. Learn them in sentences. Not just coffee, but I like coffee. Not just movie, but I watched a movie. Sentences help your brain remember better. Let's talk about grammar for a moment. Grammar is helpful, but don't let it stop you. You don't need perfect grammar to speak English. Native speakers make grammar mistakes too. Focus on meaning first. Accuracy will come later. English grows step by step, day by day. Some days feel easy, some days feel hard. Both are normal. If you feel tired, rest. If you feel confused, slow down. If you feel stuck, keep going. Learning English is not about being smart. It's about being consistent. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. So be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. Every new word matters. Every sentence matters. And remember this, you are not bad at English. You are just learning. And learning takes time. I'm really proud of you for starting. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep smiling. This is Lisa, and I'll see you in the next episode of the Daily Dose English.